What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Rusty. We are back with part, what is this, 4 of this bi-fix cell of this Mazda Miata. If you guys haven't seen my other videos, check them out. We did some work on the wheel bearings. We did this custom valve cover right here. How I took it off, how I painted it, stuff like that. The only other issues left is the alternator needs to be replaced. If you guys seen my other video, the battery light turns on when it's on idle. When you give it some gas, it turns off. Pretty sure it's the original alternator. And also the down there, I don't know if you see it, the AC compressor also needs to be changed. It's right here. I'm about to show you guys what it's doing. I'm not sure if it's the power surging from the alternator that's causing the AC compressor to jam up or something like that. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys what it's doing. All right, put it in a hole. That's what she said. Oh yeah. Is there no music? Alright. As you guys can see, idle's fine, everything's good. That's the airbag light blinking, it's not affecting really nothing. And then you wait a little bit and the battery light should turn on here soon. What the heck? There you go. Give it some gas. And the battery light turns off, and then back to idle, and the battery light turns back on, meaning there's some sort of weird voltage thing with the alternator. I am pretty sure. Let's see. Yep, there you go. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and switch the AC on and show you guys what the compressor is doing. I guess it's working now. I mean, it's a sporadic thing. It works sometimes, and then it makes that noise. So we're gonna go ahead and change the alternator first and see if it fixes it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the AC compressor jamming up or something. All right, so I guess let's get started changing the alternator. Well, that was kind of annoying. Pretty much, there's the old one. I matched it up. It looks the same. Obviously, this is a reman. They like painted all this giggity. That was the pain in the butt right there. Pretty much, there was a bracket right there where the alternator is. You cannot get to it unless you remove that bracket, and that bracket does hold up this manifold. So that's not, it wasn't too bad, but it's gonna be a pain in the butt putting it back on. I know that 100%. So we're gonna go ahead, install this, start her up. Hopefully the problem goes away. No more battery light, hopefully. And maybe this will fix the AC issue. I'm really not sure. But if it doesn't, we got our used AC compressor right here. We'll see what happens. guys, new alternator is in. I plugged everything up correctly. There's the old one. So let's get this thing started and see if battery light is still on. All right. Moment of truth. And great success. Yeah, that's it. Battery light would have turned on by now, but I guess it was an alternator problem like I thought. So let's try this AC again. Oh. See, it does it sometimes. It's weird. I don't know what to do with the AC. I know it's the compressor, but should I ride on it and see what happens and replace it later? I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I just took it for a little ride, maybe like a 5-minute ride with the AC on off, sometimes on off. It's definitely confirmed as AC compressor is locking up. So I'm gonna go ahead, might as well, and change the AC compressor. We'll just do it. So there's my used AC compressor. As you guys can tell, it spins freely. This guy who I got it from was from Facebook forums, Miata forums. He cut the line here and he cut the line on the other side. He also cut the plug. I don't know why he didn't want to just unclip it, but more work for me. I'm gonna have to splice in the plug. But hopefully this is good. He said it had 80K miles on it, but who knows? You know, you gotta trust people somehow. But 30 bucks compared to 150. So hopefully it works. So we go over here to my Miata. There's my AC compressor right there. And right there. So there's a couple bolts, 4 bolts. The lines over here, it has Freon in there right now, so I'm gonna unscrew this valve over here to let the Freon go. I don't have a machine to suck it out. And then there's one right there. I don't have a machine to suck it out, so I'm just gonna let it go into my shop. Don't tell FBI or whatever agency that takes care of this stuff. We're gonna go ahead and just change this over real quick. Alright guys, so this is the old one that was on my car with the tab right here, and this one's the new one, well, used one that I bought. So yeah, this one's still pretty dirty. I tried to clean it off, but it didn't work. Whatever. He said it has 80K miles. We're gonna see if it works. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off and solder it onto this end right here so the compressor works. Alright guys, I've installed the new AC compressor, put everything back on as it should. So right here we have to fill up the AC. This was 20 bucks at Walmart. Comes with this nozzle and this. This is not the proper way to do this. Best way is to suck the system dry and hold it there for 30 minutes to make sure there's no leaks. But I'm pretty sure there's no leaks because there was already Freon in there and stuff, and I just replaced the compressor. So we're gonna go ahead and start the car. We're gonna look at what this should be on red because there's nothing in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and squeeze this, and the compressor should kick on, and then this should be starting going to green and blue. We have to stop somewhere by blue. So let's start this thing. Nice cold AC. Nothing squawking, nothing, no noisiness. Wow. Perfect. Awesome. That was it. That was the issue. All right, guys, we have done a lot of work today. We've changed the alternator, we've changed the AC compressor. Everything works good now. AC works great. I just put in some of that Freon right there, and it's great. I mean, hopefully it doesn't leak or anything like that. I'm gonna keep checking the pressure in a couple days. That's it. It's mechanically sound. It's ready to go for a long road trip. Cold AC in Florida is very necessary. I guess next to last video, we'll be prepping this thing, cleaning it up, buffing the headlights, doing other little stuff to it to make it look 90% better, and then it's gonna go up for sale. I appreciate it, guys, for watching. Have a great day. Oh wait, that was a bad ending. I meant deuces.